Hello traders, welcome to another gold and silver price prediction and analysis video. So in this video we are going to analyze both gold and silver, that is XAUUSD and XAGUSD charts on different time frames, and we are going to analyze the price action structure that gold and silver is following so that we can utilize those levels and price action structure for the next week. So before going into the price action points and levels, we are going to discuss the latest COT report. So as usually we are looking at the change in positions of managed money, the smart players. So for this week you can see they are covering the short positions, and they covered a good number of short position. This time they covered, that means they decreased their net short position. This time they decreased minus 11510, you can read over here. Also they covered some positions in the long also, so they covered minus 387. But if we check the previous COT report, you can see, if we click into the previous COT report, this is the previous week COT report. In the previous week COT report, they added good number of long and they covered a good number of short positions. So as per the sentiment and as per the data of the managed money positions of the gold, they are covering their short and they are adding in the long overall. So overall, from the past two COT report, the data is in bull's favor actually. But in previous week trading session, if we look into the chart, this is the Monday session right over here. This is the Monday, this Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and the Friday. So in Monday we have seen some bounce, and after that we have seen a steep decline in the gold chart. So as per the sentiment from the COT was bullish, but the price action point is still not favorable. But the managed money, or you can say the smart player, is bullish on gold as per the latest data. So we can expect that the data can play in the favor of bulls. But now let's move on to the price action behavior. So in previous week, if we talk in terms of 30-minute, or you can say in 30-minute chart, you can see that after this good decline we have seen that gold price took support at the price level of 1915. And if we scroll it back like this, you can see that the current price right over here, if we check the previous trading session, this price range around 1915 to 1920 is a good level of support on volume profile. As you can see, we have a good volume at this level, this price level, and currently bulls taking advantage from this support zone. So as this is the most traded area on volume profile, so current major support for intraday is 1915. So as you can see, after hitting the level, or after testing the level of 1915, the price is respecting this after that. So after the low on Wednesday trading session, Thursday also price remain above the level of 1915, and in Friday trading session we have seen a good bounce or good bullish move, and after that the price rejected because this was a order block. As you can see, we have seen a steep decline, so they defended, means the bears defended the this position around 192728, and price retraced back to the support trend line. So what are the level that we can consider for intraday? Actually, the major support that we can watch for the 1915. Okay, this is the support, and as we have seen that price is respecting this, so this trend line is a good support. So above this we can only look for the buy opportunities, and if price able to break above to recent high, the swing high in Friday, then this is going to be in the bull's favor. But as on the price action, if price break down from here and if price break down the Wednesday trading session low, then then bears can test this level. This is the Fibonacci retracement level. It is at 1910. Let me show you it on higher time frame or on a 4-hour time frame. If we switch it to 4-hour like this, and if we remove the other indicators like this, so as you can see, the price is currently trading near to the golden zone, golden Fibonacci range, this one right over here. The upper part, that means 0.5, is at 1918, and the lower part at that is 0.618, it is at 1910. So this is the main level for bulls to defend. So above this there is a chance of another bull run, but if price breakdown, then you know what we can do. We can look for the sell opportunity toward this low around 1899. So these are the scenarios and these are the levels that we have to look for on intraday basis, and we connect accordingly on live market sentiments. So the smart money player is in the favor of bulls, but on price action, as you can see, our major resistance is 1925. Price every time tested the level of 1925, got rejected. As you can see, no candle is closing about to level of 1925. So for bulls we have to wait for a good bullish candle near to this support, or if price breakdown from here, then we can look for buy. Otherwise we can look for the sell opportunities. And if we watch the chart of let me show you the dollar chart. If we look at the dollar chart, this is the dollar chart, the DXY. So as you can see, it is the daily chart, as you can see, and it is currently trading about to nearest support. This is the nearest support. We have seen a good healthy breakout on the dollar chart right over here, you can see, and the next resistance is this level, and this is the Fibonacci level. If we talk the exact price location, it is at 105.42. So nearest support is this. So if price move from here to here, then it is obviously going to put the pressure on gold bulls, and we can expect decline on the gold chart. So this is the scenario on gold. Sorry, on dollar chart we have to watch it carefully. So overall it is in bullish phase right now. So if price retraced and if price reject from here, then we can look for buy opportunities on the gold chart. Also, if we move to the US10Y chart, this is the US10Y chart and this is the weekly chart, as you can see. So on the US10Y weekly time frame, you can see it is also moving in bullish phase right now. You can see after this good bullish move, price consolidated inside this bullish flag and it break out and retested and currently trading above to this trend line support. So overall it is also bullish right now. So we have to wait for rejection near to this level right over here. So price not able to break above this. This is the recent high. So price not able to break, then we can expect some decline and this can call the bulls of gold. So we can look for buy only after the rejection, and if breakout from here, then we can look for the sell opportunities on the gold. Let's move on to the other chart, that is the silver. For silver, I'm going to discuss this chart, the monthly chart, and this is the scenario. So on the monthly chart of silver, we have this cup structure, as you can see right over here, like this. You can see. So under this cup pattern, you can see price respecting this lower level, lower structure, and also forming this trend line. So it is currently in breakout or breakdown phase, so we have to wait it, either it break down, then we are going to look for the sell. But if price range and breakout, then we can look for the buy opportunities in silver for longer term. So this is currently a good chart to watch for on higher time frame for silver. And other chart that we can discuss is the daily chart on silver. Let me show you. This is the daily chart of silver right over here. So I already said this chart on Telegram channel, and as you can see, the price is currently trading near to the support trend line, and this is the trend line. So we can expect some down move, and we can expect test at this level. And if price reject from here, then we're going to look for buy. But if price breakdown, then further decline is possible on daily time frame on the silver chart. The other chart that we can discuss is the intraday chart of gold. This is also 30-minute chart, and as per the pivot placement, the current price is under the pivot point. This is the pivot point for Monday trading session, that is for intraday levels. It is at 1922, and the top central part of the CPR is at 1924. So for bulls, we better have to wait it to break above, then we can look for buy. And under the CPR, we going to look for the sell opportunity toward the lower level that we already discussed. And if we check the open interest data for gold future for the nearest expiry, it is at, if we look at the current PCR ratio, it is 0.74, which is in bear's favor. So for the nearest expiry, it is 0.74 on gold future chart. And if we check the important support resistance level on open interest, let me show you. So the nearest support as per the OI placement for the intraday, the lower support is 1905, 1900, and the resistance of course is 192530 and 1945. This is the resistance side, and this is the support side. Also, the important data for the next week is, for Wednesday we have the CPI and core CPI, and for Thursday we have retail sales, core retail sales, PPI on Thursday, initial jobless claim on Thursday. So this is the data for the next week. So we are going to discuss more about the data and the levels in live trading session in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.